Welcome back to more lesson 19. You'll see that I created a new Java project called P2. So I declared and initialized an integer array that I called first without the I. And then I declared a secondary array that I called sec. So because arrays are objects, two or more variables can refer to the same array. So if we come down a couple lines and we say sec equals first, we're telling them that those two are going to be the same. So we're setting sec as first. So then after we set sec equal to first, we can actually change it internally. So we want sec indices 2 to be 99. So if we print sec sub 2, it should give us 0, 1, 2. It should give us 3, but we changed it to 99. So our result should be 99. And it is. Just for fun, change sec to first. And press run. Also 99. So this right here sets them not just sec equal to first, but sets them equal to each other. For the next part, I'm going to show you, this can get confusing, so I need you to pay close attention. So I'm going to change my first array to go from 1 through 8. And then down below here, I'm going to start a new array, and we're going to call it third, an I. I'm actually going to put the bracket in front, not because I prefer it that way, I really usually like it to the right, but just so you guys get used to seeing it different. And we're going to make this characters. So we're changing this from int to char. It's going to be A, B, all the way through H. And then copy and paste this. And then we're going to change our first into characters also. And note that I did have to change the name from first to first with an actual I so that we don't have two variables with the same name even though they're different types. So the thing that we're going to cover here is called copying from array to array. And this can get a little confusing, so I want to make sure we're ready to go. So I'm going to do system.array copy. So this is a method that we're calling on. And you see how it fills in here. So this is, if you want to remember, a way to remember this, it's from me to you. So we're going from and then to. So if you can remember from me to you, this is set up to go from something to something. So I'm going to put in a note here for you guys. So the first two are your from. So it's going to go from the SRC is the array you're taking from, and the SRC post is the location in the array. So if I want to move something from first to third, we would say first, comma, and I'm going to start from indices 1. So it's going to move from index 1. It's going to start with 2. Then it's going to go 2. So the next two are your 2's. So the destination is the array you're moving to. So we're going from first to third, and the location in the array. So I want to start at location index 2. So 0, 1, 2. I want to start right here. So we're going to say index 2. And the length, I want 3 items to be moved. So I wrote a little loop here that's going to start at 0 and it's less than our first length because first and third are both the same length, so it doesn't really matter, and increase j. So then what I did is I said it's going to print whatever is in spot j and then a comma and a plus. So if you run this, it prints, well, 99 from up here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you look, we took from first and put it into third. So first never changes. So change this to third. Run it and see. So it's A, B, 2, 3, 4. So you don't find a whole lot of times where you're going to need to do this, but this is a very, very useful skill to have. You may move on to the next video.